Alright, what's up guys? I just want to show you guys today that I'm attempting to restore these taillights by wet sanding with 1000 grit sandpaper. As you can see here, I already started on this side. You can see that what we call this stuff is oxidized. But yeah, I'm probably better off getting new ones, but you know, me at the moment right now, I'm kind of cheap and these still work, so yeah. But yeah, I'm going to show you what. Alright guys, it's the next day and I got the tail light out, and I'm sorry I didn't get a video of how to take it out, but I mean it's pretty straightforward, honestly. It's just 4 screws overall, just 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I mean, like right here, screw there and screw there, you know, it's pretty straightforward, honestly. Then to get the bulbs out, you just twist it. That easy. And then of course right now I got prepping as I used a glass cleaner, and then once you use the glass cleaner, you want to use alcohol to get the cleaner stuff off. And then we're gonna use some clear coat, which I got some laying around right here. And yeah. Alright, day 2 of the taillight restoration, and got this out, and you can just see how bad this corner is. And the bulb is separated from the socket. Yeah, that's not good. But yeah, I'm going to continue on this taillight now. But look at this. Looks just brand new.